Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got some awesome freebies for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store. Now you like yesterday's freebies, I'm quite sure you're gonna like today's freebies as well. Let's start off with number one. Number one is called Super Fruit. Super Fruit is a real nice slick looking watch face. One of those watch faces that stands out in the crowd. Now if you're dressing down or if you're just on a casual day, this will be the watch face to put on. It's an everyday watch face. Now you're presented with 24-hour time. Some of you all don't like 24 hours. That's probably going to be the downside for you. But remember, the watch face is free. Now you also got your day and your date right here. Over here you got shortcuts. You can make a phone call, tap into your weather, text messages, email. You get info on your step goals, step count, calories, not calories, but miles walked or ran. But what's slick about this watch face that really makes this downloadable, single tap, I got more shortcuts, right? Kind of switches things over a little bit. And so you got your heart rate information, go into your music, coffee and water intake, double tap, and it will take you right into it. And I'm thinking that's slick, right? But one more tap, and then I can put it in the always on mode. Now this would be the only downside to me because I like my AOD. It's super dim. It is super dim, but again, I gotta remember that it's free and I don't have to play it. I can keep it on or off. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number two. This one is called the Gray. Very nice looking watch face. Another dress down watch face. That may tie into your weekend attire this weekend, right? Now, I'm liking the look. I like the design. This developer always gets down. In the always on mode, you're gonna get the same exact look. It's just gonna be dimmed down just a tad, not that much, right? So I'm liking what the developer brought to the table with this one. Plain, simple, basic. And what you get a moon phase right here. You get your day and your date as well. You get your battery info, you get your step info, and it is inactive. So if I single tap, I could go into that application just like that. Not bad at all. Same thing over here. Bring up my calendar. So I thought that was a good deal, especially since it's free, right? I double tap in the middle. I can change the color theme of the watch face to whatever it is I want to tie it into for what I'm wearing for that day. So I thought the developer definitely did a good job with this. Now, if you look at the hands look really nice as well. They kind of stand out for an analog watch face. What do you think? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please, by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.